Welcome to this guide on how to make a deposit on LegitSMS.com. We will show you how to use various payment methods. Start by logging into your LegitSMS account. Go to www.legitsms.com and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Add Funds button, located in the right corner. In the Deposit section, you will see a list of available payment methods. These include bank card, cryptocurrency, Alipay, and other electronic payments. Choose your preferred method. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. Double-check the amount to ensure it is correct. Remember, the minimum deposit is $5. Click the Top Up Wallet button to process the transaction. Input the required information for the payment option you selected. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your deposit was successful. Congratulations! You have successfully deposited funds into your LegitSMS account. Now you can enjoy all the services that LegitSMS has to offer.